You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning how do you say it. Reservoir is how it is said in English, and yes, it comes from French. For reference, in French it is said as réservoir, réservoir. So in English, reservoir is how you want to say it correctly. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.